Jeff, and what is a severe storm? How would you describe that?
Yeah, severe storms are, by definition, the ones that cause the damaging or destructive winds or damaging or destructive hail. Generally the hail would need to be about 2 centimetres in diameter, but you can get damage from smaller hail where there's a lot of it, so it weighs down structures. And very heavy rain, you know, rainfall that's more than, say, the 10-year average. A good rule of thumb is if you get more than 70 millimetres an hour, you generally run into problems anywhere in the world.
So a severe storm only refers to what's actually coming down with the precipitation, so with the hail and the rain, but does it also refer to the wind speed?
Yeah, and the wind speed, 90 k's per hour is a good rule of thumb where you start to get damage. Around about the old 50 knots. That will generally...
Sorry, 90. What's Yasi on average, if you just compare that? Of Yasi, Cyclone Yasi, just to see the difference.
The peak gusts of Yasi could have been about, we don't know for sure, 280, 290 kilometres per hour. With Larry, there was measurement of up on Mount Belden Curve, a wind gust of 294.
Wow. But so severe storm is basically anything in that 90 range?
No, they can be extremely gusty too. There was one measured in a big bad storm we had in 1985 in Brisbane, over 100 knots, which is that's 160 k's per hour. No more, no, about 170 k's per hour. And that was an amazing storm. It caused damage from Jindalee right through to Sandgate, and swathed the damage about 25 k's long, about 15 k's wide, as bad as a cyclone almost. And that was probably our worst storm, just an amazing number of houses damaged. But our worst tornado we had in Brisbane was 1973, and it just demolished a lot of houses, about 1,300 houses. So Brisbane does get some of the worst thunderstorms you get anywhere in the world, you know. And the whole of northeast New South Wales and southeast Queensland is a pretty well-known area for supercell thunderstorms. A supercell is a storm which just produces tornadoes, heavy hail, extreme rainfall, and those destructive winds. It's a storm that where the winds increase with height, so that as the air is sucked into them, it rotates. Hence, they can form into a tornado. And in Australia, I guess you would see more than average or more than Eros Australia supercell storms occurring in northeast New South Wales, southeast Queensland.